And to prove himself once again is hump number 1, Alvin G. Pasok sa Grand Finals. I see hump number 5, Erwin Lagunda. Kilig na kilig sila dun, no? And hump number 7, Alexander.
This is Alvin, but you can call me Vin. I just want to say that I'm honored to be part of this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Alvin. Grabe, very gulat ako sa boses si Alvin. No? Mukhang nag-host din ata si Alvin. Sanay na sanay. Kanina ako sa Mag-move on to Grand Finals. I see hump number. Narinig ko na. Hump number 4. Tawag yan, di ba? Twitter yun before. Instagram, Facebook, that you are just comfortable in sharing. Hindi kayo komportable, okay lang din naman. So, alin niya makadagdag na a little bit more followers, 100. Tapos i-share yung 100 ninyo, di ba? Dumami na dumami. Sa mga nakikita ng Murado. Honest to goodness, nung last, yun yung lagi ko na kwento, na Summer Bodies Quiz, umupo ako sa judges table. Iba pala yung view.
Hello, I'm Erwin Lagunda. My Facebook account is Erwin Coaching Lagunda. And as well as may ID. Thank you.
Ay, grabe. Erwin Kutsha, ano? Erwin Kutsing Lagunda. Yun. Na-follow him on his Facebook. Yan, nag-type na kagad dito.